Ever wondered about that futuristic concept of digital gold? You know, the one that everyone seems to be talking about, but no one can quite explain? Well, that, my friend, is Bitcoin, the king of cryptocurrencies. And if you're curious about diving into this brave new world, Gemini might be just the platform you need. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty of using Gemini for Bitcoin, let's rewind a bit. Bitcoin is essentially a decentralized digital currency. Imagine a giant, global ledger everyone can see, where transactions are recorded securely and anonymously. That's the blockchain, the backbone of Bitcoin and many other cryptocurrencies. So, why all the hype? Well, Bitcoin boasts several unique features. It's limited in supply, making it scarce and potentially valuable. It's also secure, thanks to the power of cryptography, and operates independently of any central bank. Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds fascinating, but how do I actually get involved? That's where Gemini comes in. Think of it as your gateway to the world of Bitcoin. Gemini is a secure and regulated cryptocurrency exchange platform, allowing you to buy, sell, and store your Bitcoin with ease. But with so many options out there, why choose Gemini? Here's the deal: Gemini prioritizes security. They take user safety very seriously, employing industry-leading practices to keep your hard-earned Bitcoin safe. Plus, they're a regulated platform, which means they operate within legal frameworks, offering a layer of trust for beginners. Alright, enough with the why, let's get to the how. Using Gemini for Bitcoin is actually quite straightforward. Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Sign up and verification. Head over to Gemini's website and create an account. The process is similar to signing up for any other online service. You'll need to provide your personal details and go through a verification process to ensure it's really you. This might involve uploading some government-issued ID and potentially a selfie. Don't worry, this is standard practice on most exchanges. Step 2. Funding your account. Once verified, you'll need to add funds to your Gemini account. This is like putting money into your digital wallet. Gemini offers various funding options, depending on your location. You can typically link your bank account or debit card to transfer funds directly. Step 3. Buying Bitcoin. Now for the exciting part. With funds in your account, you're ready to buy Bitcoin. Gemini offers two interfaces for buying and selling, a simple buy section and a more advanced active trader platform. The buy section is perfect for beginners. It allows you to easily purchase Bitcoin with a few clicks. Simply choose the amount you want to buy, confirm the transaction, and voila! You're a proud owner of a fraction of a Bitcoin. Step 4. Active Trader, optional. If you're feeling adventurous and want more control over your trades, Gemini's Active Trader platform is for you. It offers advanced features like order types and charting tools, allowing you to potentially snag better deals on Bitcoin. However, this requires some knowledge of crypto trading, so it's best suited for experienced users. Step 5. Storing your Bitcoin. Now you own Bitcoin, but where do you keep it? Gemini offers secure storage within your account, eliminating the need for external wallets, although these are an option for advanced users seeking even greater control. Step 6. Security matters. Remember, with great crypto comes great responsibility. Gemini offers a range of security features to keep your Bitcoin safe. Make sure you enable two-factor authentication and choose a strong password. Additionally, Gemini recommends against sharing your account details with anyone. So, is Gemini the right platform for you? If you're a beginner looking for a secure and user-friendly way to buy and store Bitcoin, then absolutely. Gemini offers a smooth entry point into the world of cryptocurrency. However, if you're a seasoned trader seeking advanced features and a wider variety of coins, you might explore other options. Remember, Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market are still evolving. It's crucial to do your own research before investing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy exploring the world of digital gold.